Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Abraham Paul Education, where I provide high quality education for you. One of the questions asked by one of my subscribers is that how do I record YouTube videos at home? Because a lot of people are stuck due to COVID-19 at home and they want to make YouTube videos. How do they do that? So today I'm gonna show you my setup and also explain you how you can make videos at home so that you don't have to depend on any studio. You can prepare the studio at home, your home, and you can start making videos so that you will be able to not only save your time, but also you don't have to travel anywhere to an office space. You can, record videos at home all by yourself. So now let me quickly show you the setup so that you can set up for yourself. So here I have this setup. Here's this green screen, and this is a place where I sit. Okay, this is the tripod, and basically what happens is this is how I record videos. Okay, it's very simple. This is a tripod here, and here you have to sit, and this is the green screen, and on back of that I have a whiteboard because I'm a teacher and educator. I have the whiteboard. So this is actually the setup, and you have lights at the top. The top is actually having lights, so you have to be careful because the proper lighting is needed so that you can have this option of green screen, right?